Let's look at some law and order in the United States, or lack thereof. Aside from ignoring immigration law and letting violent criminals out onto the streets of our communities, our legal and justice systems are failing. Here's a quick video to show what's going on right now in a county in Minneapolis.
Cases that stem from low-level traffic stops. Lawful traffic stops are routinely led to the removal of illegally possessed guns, narcotics, and other serious threats from our streets. Again, lawful traffic stops. Just this year, our deputies and detectives have seized 377 illegally possessed guns. Nearly half, 47%, of those illegally possessed guns we've confiscated are from traffic stops.
All right, let's stop here for a second. At the very beginning of the video, I'm sorry that the audio was clipped, but Hennepin County in Minnesota is no longer going to allow felony prosecutions from traffic stops. So the chief, and God bless her that she's speaking up on this, the chief is trying to explain that a lot of serious criminal issues, weapons and other things, the investigations are started from traffic stops. And the people in charge in Hennepin County are, I guess, against law and order. So we'll let the chief talk a little bit more.
That's 175 guns just this year that were found during traffic stops. This policy will embolden criminals. We see it every day in traffic stops where people who are committing criminal activities in our community say, we're not supposed to chase them. We're not supposed to pull them over.
Unfortunately, the criminals know more about police protocol and police, I guess you can say, policy than sometimes the police themselves. And here, the bad people in this county in Minnesota know that the police aren't supposed to be pulling them over, and they make note of it.
The criminals are paying attention, people. It will worsen the Hennepin County's already serious accountability problem, and it will put more lives at risk. At a minimum, these stops offer an opportunity to educate drivers about the law. When they do result in the seizure of illegal guns and contraband, it serves as crime prevention tool as well.
All right, so let's talk about this. Extreme liberalism. Minnesota, known for extreme liberalism at this point. This extreme liberalist approach of coddling criminals, making excuses for criminal activity, and disregarding the safety of our citizens and our communities is unacceptable. You can see this wave happening in other extremely liberal states and communities, and it has to stop somewhere. And the police are being hamstrung. And again, my hat's off to this chief for speaking up about it.